What's up, guys? If you are new to wearing prescription eyewear, or any eyewear for that matter, if you've never worn glasses before, I'm sure you're out there. I've actually been wearing glasses for well over 40 years. The easiest way to just clean the lenses, of course it depends on how bad the smudge is or how oily or whatever mess you got on your lens. You can use very mild soap and water, and just gently wipe it on there, rinse it off thoroughly. But whenever you're polishing or, if you're drying off your glasses, or if you just got a little bit of water on them or a little spray or whatever, or a big old finger smudge that you have no idea how it got there, the easiest way I get rid of it is to just fog up the lens with your breath. So you'll go fog it up quickly, and then see how the condensation is going away. So you do this quickly. As soon as you fog up the lens, get a clean, soft t-shirt. I just use my own, regular old white undershirt, man's shirt, but make sure it's clean and soft. And then after you've fogged up the lens, then just buff it, on both sides. Do it softly. Then do the same to the other lens. But what I don't recommend is you use a paper towel. Don't use some of those synthetic cloths. Some of them work okay, but a lot of them just smudge the smudge even worse. So that's how I've always cleaned glasses lenses, is just fog it up with your breath and wipe it quickly with a very soft t-shirt. That's it. Check out our channel. We got all kinds of stuff you might like, and got over 2,000 videos on YouTube relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, working around the house, golf carts, hot rods, motocross bikes, all kind of stuff. And if you have other great ideas on how to get stupid smudges off of your lenses, feel free to post them down below. You'll have a great day. We'll see you later.